I've racked up over 250 miles on my Madmods, 259 to be exact. I just went on a 32.5 mile ride. Battery is just about empty, very little pedaling. I'm gonna get into the pros and cons of this bike that I've realized over the last 250 miles. And please like this video and subscribe. First thing I did after the bike was assembled was go into the computer and unlock the speed control that limited it to 20 miles an hour. Linked above is a video on how to do that, and unlocked it so it'll go 28 miles an hour. Now I originally had it set to 30 amps and then I dialed it back to 25 to save battery and range, and it gets the top speed, but the acceleration and torque is a little bit less dialed back to 25 amps. First thing I noticed when I took my Madmods out of the box is just how big it is compared to other bikes and other e-bikes. Next to a Super 73, the Madmods will dwarf it. But this Trek mountain bike is a medium frame, 17.5 inch with 27 inch tires, and you can see just how big it is compared to that. Now the first time I started riding the Madmods, you'll notice the weight. Obviously it's much more than a mountain bike. I'm not a motorcycle rider. I do ride like electric dirt bikes, so it wasn't a big leap for me, but that weight quickly fell away after the first 5 or 10 miles, and now I've got comfortable with handling the bike, and it looks daunting to pedal. I was expecting pedaling being a lot worse. It's not bad. I mean, it's not as good as, let's say, a mountain bike or a true e-bike, but it's not as bad as it looks.
The Madmods is equipped with a rear hub motor. Now it's not super torquey, it does the job off-road as you can see in these videos, but if you're getting into rough conditions or steep inclines, the motor may not be ideal for that condition. One of the things that I'm still working on is dialing in the right air pressure for the front fork. Now it was shipped with very high pressure. I've been slowly letting out air on each side equally and measuring it with a gauge, and then testing it during my various ride conditions.
One small annoyance I find is that the storage box is on the downward side or the kickstand side. So when you open it, everything falls out. I wish they put the door on the other side so things wouldn't fall out. One thing I noticed with the Sondors, when the battery starts to dip, especially after long straightaways, I shut it off for a few minutes, then I turn it back on. It was 3 bars, now it went back up to 4 bars.
I hope you enjoyed this summary of the Madmods, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.